Let's start with who is the probate referee. California probate referees are appointed by the state controller to serve in a specific county. Probate referees are officers of the court but are not employees of the state of California. In court-type matters such as California probates and conservatorships, the probate court designates the probate referee on a rotation basis. Hi, I'm Kim Ward. I am an expert at helping executors and administrators with homes in probate or trust administration here in San Diego, California. My team and I have been helping prepare, market, and sell homes in probate for the last 20 years, and we can help you too. What does the probate referee do? The California probate referee appraises all property in the estate except for cash items. It is the responsibility of the executor or administrator or the personal representative to provide the probate referee with the list of property items to be appraised using the Inventory and Appraisal Form DE 160 and DE 161. I have an easy inventory collector that details what you need to know to include in the probate inventory. If you live in the San Diego area or the house is in San Diego, please let me know and we can send you a copy of the Easy Inventory Collector. Others, like you, have found it helpful to ease the burden of providing the probate referee with all the probate estate inventory. After the completion of the inventory and appraisal by the probate referee, the personal representative or conservator must file the inventory and appraisal with the California Probate Court. There are specific time schedules required for these court filings, and the estate representatives should be familiar with the time requirements. Of course, your probate attorney will keep you aware of your timelines. Your probate attorney may also take the information that you submit using my Easy Inventory Collector and transfer it to the California Probate Court Inventory and Appraisal Form DE 160 and 161 document prior to submitting it for filing with the probate court. So what is the inventory and appraisal? The inventory and appraisal is a complete listing of the estate assets as of a particular date, usually the date of death. In a guardianship or conservatorship estate, it is the date of appointment. If you have chosen not to have a probate attorney to help you with this detailed process, what you need to know is where to find the necessary forms. All forms, including the guide to using probate referees, can be found on the Probate Referees Association website. The Referees Guide explains in detail with examples the necessary steps for the proper preparation of the inventory and appraisal forms. As part of the duties of the personal representative provides the probate referee with the inventory of property that the probate referee needs to appraise. In most cases, the probate referee does not enter into the property and does not physically see all the personal property. The personal representative ideally has already reviewed the assets of the estate and will know the items that require the expertise of the probate referee. Again, if you don't have a California probate attorney, and even if you do and you are like me and want to know more about the process and how it works, let's talk about what you need to know about how the I&A form should be filed. You should also be aware that the probate referee is required to promptly and with reasonable diligence appraise the property designated by the personal representative. So you're going to want to get the information to the probate referee as soon as reasonably possible, because the probate referee has up to 60 days, yes, 2 full months to complete the probate referee appraisal. The inventory and appraisal, that DE 160 and 161 forms, should be filled out in a complete and in a legible manner, obviously. That's another good reason to first use My Easy Inventory Collector, because you can then transcribe the information neatly to the office document. The DE 160 is the court form, and the DE 161 is the attachment schedule listing all the items to be valued by the representative and the probate referee. The assets listed on the attachment should be complete and accurate. As part of the duties of the personal representative provides the probate referee with the inventory of property that the probate referee needs to appraise. The personal representative ideally has already reviewed the assets of the estate and will know the items that require the expertise of the actual probate referee. The role of the probate referee in California probate cases is vital in the probate process. Many counties in California will automatically appoint a probate referee. If the probate court does not automatically select one, your probate attorney or you will need to file a form with the probate court to request the court appoint the probate referee. I hope you found this of value. Please subscribe. Let YouTube know that you appreciate all the content that I'm putting out to help you to understand the probate process better. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, like, and comment down below. I will answer your comments, and I look forward to seeing you next week.